All right, so here's a quick example of substitution, a little bit more complicated, but not really. You just have to know your rules for derivatives and integrals. And some of these, I know you don't know yet or at all, and that's okay because mainly you're supposed to just have these handy to look them up, and you have some of them in the formal packet, and there's some that are not. You can just look them up like I did. So here, let's start. First, we say, okay, we have this equation here. We're going to take the integral of it. We need a u. So u equals, well, I'm going to look on my derivative list because I need a derivative of u. I need something that's going to help me up here. So if we look at cosecant here, the derivative of cosecant is negative cosecant cotangent, and that's kind of like what we have up here. So let's say, okay, u equals, let's let u equal cosecant 6x. All right, cool. Now let's find the derivative. Du dx equals, let's see, it says negative cosecant and 6x cotangent 6x. But then we have to do the chain rule, right? So we did the derivative of the outside. Now do the derivative of the inside. So derivative of 6x is 6. So now let's make it look pretty. So du dx equals negative 6 cosecant 6x cotangent 6x. All right, now we need this and dx. So okay, we have du dx here, so to move dx to the other side. Du equals negative 6 cosecant 6x cotangent 6x dx. All right, again, we just need cosecant, cotangent, and dx. Let's take care of the negative 6. So let's just divide both sides by negative 6 or multiply by negative 1/6. So we get this du equals cosecant 6x cotangent 6x dx. Now we have something we can substitute. We have du and we have dx. So we can put that back in. So I'll rewrite this. Cosecant 6x cotangent 6x cosecant to the 5th power, cosecant to the 5th power 6x dx. So we have this and this that we can substitute in here. So this is going to be substituted for this and this. So if I put that in there, negative 1/6 du, it takes care of this and it takes care of this. So I'm left with cosecant to the 5th 6x. Remember, we said that we're going to let u equal cosecant 6x. So now we have, scroll down, we have this, negative 1/6 du, and then this is u now. Cosecant 6x is u. So u to the 5th power. So let's rearrange that so it looks pretty. So we have u to the 5th power, and then we have negative 1/6 du. And so constants like this, we can just move to the outside like this here. So we'll have negative 1/6 here, u to the 5th du, and then we just take the integral like we normally would. So negative 1/6, use that power rule, 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1, so times negative 1/6 times u to the 6th over 6. Let's go down a little bit. So we have negative u to the 6th over 36. And don't forget, plus c, plus c, plus c. So now we just put u back in. We said let's go down. U was cosecant 6x, so cosecant 6x to the 6th power over 36 plus c. That's just kind of an example of that one problem you saw in that worksheet. Don't worry, we're not going to get that complicated at the moment. So right now we have on Delta Math, it shouldn't be this hard. And rules like this we're going to be going over in the next class.